Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you a great exercise if you are struggling with your overhead position or overhead squats. So if your barbell strict press looks like this, if your arms are out in front, so Chris goes aside for me, I'm just pressing. So if you look like this whenever you're pressing, or if you're overhead squatting and the bar comes down in front of you whenever you're going, so if you're ending up in this position here, this is a great exercise to help you with that. So it's a face down W press. So if Chris lies down the bench for me, what you're aiming to do is to squeeze your shoulder blades as much as you can together in that overhead squat position, and then you're going to press up and down all the time, trying to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Bring the head up a little bit as well and tuck your chin. So this is great for your forward head posture as well. And do this for, say, 3 sets of 15 reps, all the time squeezing here as much as you can. After doing your 3 sets of 15, hop yourself back up again, and you're going to retest the exercises and see if there's any improvement. Hopefully you'll start to see that you can get your arms locked out fully in a nice straight line, and also your overhead squat, if you do that for me, should have the barbell staying in line over the body so that it's stable. Okay guys?